In recent years, tension between the United States and Iran have reached dangerous level. If USA were to launch a military strike on Iran, one of the biggest question world would ask is how would China respond? China and Iran have grown significantly closer, especially after signing a 25-year strategy cooperation agreement in 2021. This deal include economical, political and military dimensions, making Iran a crucial part of China's long-term regional strategy, particularly in the Middle East, which is key to China Belt and Road Initiative. If USA attack Iran, China's first response would likely be diplomatic. Beijing would strongly condemn the attack in international forums like the United Nations, calling it a violation of international law and a threat to regional stability. China typically opposes the unilateral military actions and promotes non-interference in other nations' international affairs. Secondly, China may offer limited economic and logistical support to Iran. This could include increasing oil imports despite USA's sanctions, providing dual use technology, and even supporting Iranian infrastructure and cyber defense capabilities. China would not want Iran to fall completely into chaos, as that could disrupt global oil markets and affect China on energy security. More subtly, China may use the opportunity to strengthen anti-USA alliance, drawing Russia, Iran, and other countries closer in opposition to American dominance. It may also use aggression as a tool to highlight Western double standards in global politics. If we conclude the whole situation, if the USA attacks on Iran, China's response would be a combination of strong diplomacy, indirect economic support, regional balancing, and strategic messaging, but not direct military interventions. China's ultimate goal would be to protect its interest, avoid global instability, and portray itself as a responsible global power.